Andrea with My Fabric Addiction, and today we are with Kim. We are going to talk about our newest quilt kit that we have coming out. It is our traditional herringbone. There's nothing traditional about the way our kits come. Our kits are all pre-cut, so we are going to take that whole step out of our quilt. So, the inexperienced sewer. So Kim is very new to sewing. She's probably made how many quilts? 3, maybe? Yeah.
With close supervision.
Yeah. So we thought it might be fun to show the traditional way to make a herringbone, and then Kim is going to use our kit.
Yep, so I just opened up the kit, and here are all my pieces, and already cut, ready to go. You'll get 3 different pieces in this, including the binding, and they already have the dog ears and everything ready, so you just lay them out and start sewing.
So our traditional way, we have to cut our squares. I'm gonna do a 2 at a time half square triangle. So I'm going to cut my squares. Let's see. I also have to worry about my blade being sharp. My rotary cutter. Oh, see? How many times do I gotta try and cut this? A whole bunch, obviously.
So I am just, oh shit, I looked at it wrong. Where's the picker?
This is real life, right?
Yes, this is my life. This is why I need close supervision. Me and the unpicker. Dang it. Okay, try that again. That side. So you're just gonna line up the dog ears. Did it again. What? Take it off. How did I do it again? Pick number 2.
Okay, so as we are laying them out, we have our dog ears cut off right here. So we are going to stick this side into that point. So that lines up, and then this lines up, and then it will fold down after you sew it.
Okay, I do it. Okay, I got it. I got it.
I draw my lines.
Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna pick another color that I wanna find out of this stack. Go with this one. Let's see if I can. Show me how it's going. How's it going?
So again, we're just gonna take our...
Oh, right there, okay. So when you're doing this,
just line them up just like that. It looks angly wrong, but when you sew it, it goes correct.
okay, so you're gonna watch for a straight line across here. I'm trying to line it up like that. So,
yep.
Okay, I got it. Got it. Okay.
I gotta make all my lines, and this is just for, this is only one color. It's not even for all the colors that I need to do. This would take me all day.
Okay.
You're almost
Look at that. I know.
I've almost got a whole row done, and I haven't even got done making my first color.
Okay, so I'm lining it like this, like make a triangle. So when you're looking at it, I'm gonna make a triangle. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so when you're laying it out, if you don't want to make that same mistake and unpick like I do all the time, lay it like this. You got that? Look for that, make a triangle here. That way I can see it that way.
I'm angly challenged, so I have to lay
If I can look at what I want the picture to look like, then I can do it every time. Yes. Gosh. All right, woohoo! Look at that. Okay. I know. Now I'm gonna get another color out of here. I haven't done. Ooh, I haven't done this green. It's pretty green. Okay, make a triangle. Okay, I got it now. Okay, there you go. See, I made my little white triangle.
Yep.
I know, and the good thing about this is your points are going to line up. Look how perfect they are.
Yeah, once you get that iron down, it's
yes, they are perfect and they line up perfect. Another white one. Okay, now I know what to look like. Now I know what to see. I just make that triangle every time and I'm good to go. Okay.
As long as you find that, once you find that little neck, what you're looking for is easy.
Okay, I got it. Okay. Look at that.
So in the amount of time that I have just gotten one color, not even for the whole quilt, but just one row of colors of the same color. I couldn't even start my kit. Like my row, I still have to, she did almost a whole row.
And mine are perfect.
Yep.
They come together so perfect with these dog ears.
And I would have to sew this on each side, come apart, trim them down to the correct size, and then line them up like you would for a traditional herringbone. And she just got almost a whole row.
I did.
I know. Our kits make things so much easier.
And perfect.
Especially for new quilters.